Hey guys, welcome back. It's Smita. In continuation of all my Diwali looks for the year, I'll be doing another one today and I will be doing Diwali looks up until Diwali. So just be mentally prepared. I'll be showing you so many different looks. Today's look is very feminine. I've used a very peach nude theme and here's the look that I've created. Very easy to create again, can be done by anybody and the eye looks so gorgeous. This is something that I can wear to a party, a festival, anything that you want. So you can use these looks for other purposes as well. Without further ado, let's get this started, and if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. I'm taking this brown shadow from the Coastal Scents Brow Palette. With my angled brush, I'm going to be filling in my brows. I'm using a powder product today because I want the entire look to be very soft, so I just didn't want to use a pomade. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in medium peach to clean up the borders of my eyebrows and also as a primer on my lids. I'll be setting this concealer with the NYC loose powder, one because I don't want it to crease and second because it makes it very easy to blend out any eyeshadows. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Prime to prime my face and neck, and to prime my lips I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Lip Balm. For foundation, I'm using the Lancome Tint Idol in 430 and I'm going to be applying this using the Sigma Kabuki brush. Using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer again, I'm going to be highlighting the high planes of my face and then I'm going to be blending everything out with a damp beauty sponge. A lot of you wanted to know if you can skip the primer and apply a foundation directly over moisturizer. The answer is very simple. A moisturizer smoothens your skin, makes it really soft and silky and more like you have oil on your skin, right? It makes it very smooth. Now, if you apply anything over it, like a foundation, it's going to move. Now, you need something for the foundation to stick onto and stay in its place, and that's the purpose of a primer. A primer also smoothens your skin, but it makes your skin very sticky. So it holds on to the foundation, which makes your foundation last longer. To cream contour my face, I'm going to be using a contour shade from the Coastal Scents Concealed Palette. I'm going to be applying it in the circumference of my face, in the hollows of my cheekbones, as well as to contour my nose using the Coastal Scents Flat Shader Brush. And then I'm going to be blending everything out with a damp beauty sponge. And then I'm going to be applying some NYC loose powder underneath my eyes before I start my eye makeup so that it can catch all the fallout without spoiling my base makeup, and then I can easily dust it off later. First, using the JCat Baked Highlighter in Twilight, I'm going to highlight my brow bones by using it just under the arch of my brows as well as in my inner corners. From the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, first I'm going to take Pookie with my Sigma E40 blending brush. I'm going to blend this out in the outer corner, softening up everything and giving it a warm tone so it blends into my skin tone, and this is going to be my transition color. Next, I'm going to take Hunts with the same blending brush and I'm going to use this to deepen the outer corner as well as the crease. I'm going to blend it out with the transition color so this is a smooth transition, and I'm also going to pull this color into my lids. For my lids, I wanted something very pretty and shimmery, so I'm taking Morning Rose, which is a loose pigment from Mineral Cosmetics. I'm going to spritz some setting spray on my finger, and then I'm going to apply this loose pigment directly on my lids with my finger. In my lower lash line, I'm going to first take Hunts with a pencil brush and I'm going to smoke this out in the outer 2/3. And then I'm going to spritz some setting spray on a small definer brush and I'm going to dip it in Morning Rose and use it in the inner 1/3. The setting spray that I'm using is from Wet n Wild. While I'm dusting off all the extra powder, I'm going to use the excess to set my entire face. In my waterline, I'm going to use the Jordana Easy Liner in black. You can also use a kajal, a gel liner in black, or any eye pencil that you have. And to line just my top lash line, I'm using the NYX matte liner. I'm not going to be doing anything crazy. I'm just going to simply line my top lash line and pull out a small wing. I'm applying a coat of L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara before I jump to lashes. And for lashes, I wanted something very fluffy and voluminous, so I'm going with the Bayfulin Faux Mink lashes. These are cruelty-free because they are faux mink, but they look very natural and like real mink lashes. As I mentioned before, I do have an affiliate code with them if you want a discount. I've listed the link as well as the discount code in the description box below. For my lower lashes, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. I really like the wand. These are perfect for the lower lashes. Using the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster, I'm going to add some warmth to my face. For blush, I wanted something that had a coral or an orange or a peach undertone, so I'm going to be using a shade from the Coastal Scents blush palette. To add that overall glow, I'm going to be using the JCat Baked Highlighter in Twilight once again on the high planes of my face, and to apply it, I'm using the Sigma E35 Tapered Blending Brush. On my lips, first I'm going to be using Wet n Wild Cat's Feet Matte Lipstick in Coral Corruption. And as a lip topper, I'm going to be using the lip gloss in Rose Gold. And this has a brilliant shine. It's just perfect for a very glowy, very fresh face kind of a look like this one. With my bindi, jewelry, accessories and this beautiful sari from Neeru's in Bangalore, I'm all set for a Diwali party. But the truth is, we YouTubers show you all these tutorials and then we wash it off, sit on our couch and enjoy a cup of coffee. I really love this kind of eye makeup, which is very subtle, very wearable and very easy to do, but people can stare at your eyes for hours because it's so gorgeous. And the way the eye and the lip combo turned out is heavenly. I just enjoyed it. And I hope you enjoyed it as well. Like, share, comment and let me know your thoughts. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with another tutorial. Bye guys.